Okay, I am bound determined to figure out what the noise is that keeps going on in my car. It sounds like a bunch of babies with rattles sitting over the back right tire. And so I'm trying to record it. It's worse when I'm going over bumps, of course. You can kind of hear it right now a little bit. Naturally, when we're trying to make it make noise. Okay, you hear that? Here comes another intersection. I'll probably do it again. Yes, it's knock, 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 knock. Yeah, see, you hear a bunch right there. Okay, I'll let this record for a little bit longer. Yeah, so, you know, I've looked at some other people's YouTube videos, and it's possibly a strut mount. Heard a few times right there. But in any case, it's not supposed to make that noise. I think there is a whole bunch of times right there and there. I'm mostly recording it, so I won't have to try to describe it to the mechanic at CarMax.